Welcome to Toilet Genius Academy. At Korky Toilet Repair, we're proud to be leaders in the industry and experts in toilet repair. In this training video, we want to teach you everything you need to know to become a toilet genius. Please reach out to us with any questions you may have on anything discussed in this video. The fill valve is the second most commonly replaced part in the tank and takes about 10 minutes to repair. The purpose of the fill valve is to fill the tank with water after the toilet is flushed. Once the tank is full, it shuts off and maintains the proper water level in the tank. There are three common styles of fill valves: traditional ball cock, exterior float fill valves, and interior float fill valves, also known as the Korky float model. Now that you understand how a toilet works, we will discuss trends affecting toilet repair. In 1994, the EPA passed a law requiring that all toilets flush 1.6 gallons per flush or less. More recently, some areas began passing laws that require toilets to only flush 1.28 gallons per flush or less, called high-efficiency toilets, or HET. Due to these EPA regulations, manufacturers needed a way to use less water while maintaining flushing performance. They had the unique challenge of creating a powerful flush while using half of the amount of water they were traditionally used to. Old-style ball cocks have since transitioned to more modern fill valves, which offer a more precise shutoff and tend to be quieter than your standard ball cock. Another important change is the amount of water that is sent to the bowl after each flush. Many newer toilets that flush 1.6 or 1.28 gallons per flush may require a fill valve that allows the refill ratio to be adjusted. Traditional fill valves always send 20% of the water to the bowl, and the remaining 80% goes in the tank for the next flush. Now that toilets are flushing less water, toilet manufacturers have played around with the refill ratio to maximize the performance of the toilet. Today, a toilet can send anywhere from 40% to 0% of the water to the bowl. We are now going to take an in-depth look at Korky fill valves by taking the valve apart and identifying all components. Korky fill valves offer many advantages in comparison to the competition. Korky fill valves are more universal, as they all adjust 1 inch taller and 1 inch shorter than the competition. This one-step adjustment leads to an easy install, no fine-tuning. If you pop off the white cover by placing your thumb under the tab, you'll find our interior float that is protected in this chamber. As the water rises, it spills through the window on the chamber. The float rises and the valve shuts off. Have you ever had a customer come in and complain that their float got stuck? It's very common with other fill valve styles, and it's the #1 complaint we hear about competitor products, that the float gets stuck due to mineral buildup from hard water. Our design allows sufficient clearing distance around the float, ensuring it will never get stuck. This makes it a more reliable fill valve for your guest. Squeeze the float arms right here and pull the float out. This gives you access to the critical diaphragm cap. Twist the cap a quarter turn counterclockwise. We use our red chemical-resistant material in the diaphragm seal. This lasts longer, even in chlorine environments. Pull the tube out and pull the white tab at the bottom. Did anyone know this was inside? It's a strainer. It'll protect the diaphragm seal from sand and sediment that comes in with the water, making the valve even more reliable. The bottom part right here is the diffuser, which makes the fill valve 2 times quieter than other fill valves and eliminates the water hammer shutoff. Korky is more reliable. The diaphragm seal is chlorine resistant and will last longer. The enclosed float has more clearing distance and is less susceptible to buildups. All Korky fill valves have these same components. The Korky Quiet Fill valve is the universal replacement for faulty fill valves or ball cocks. It is the best choice for older toilets that flush 3.5 gallons per flush or more. Our Quiet Fill Platinum fill valve has all of the same features as our Quiet Fill valve, but it's even more universal, adjusting to fit 99% of toilets, old and new, and is the best choice for newer 1.6 or 1.28 toilets. This valve has a refill adjuster to deliver the right amount of water to the bowl in order to maintain OEM performance, keeping the correct tank and bowl water ratio. Have you ever had a customer come in who wasn't 100% sure what was wrong with their toilet? This is a perfect situation to recommend a complete kit to give the tank a complete overhaul. The Korky Complete Repair Kit is a great upsell opportunity if a customer is unsure of how to fix their toilet problem. Kits increase top-line sales and are a guaranteed fix to the problem, saving time and money for the customer. We hope you have learned a lot about toilet repair during this video. If you would like more information about anything we've covered or have any further questions, please reach out to Korky directly using the information on the screen.